Standpipe systems are used in buildings where it may be difficult for the fire department to pump water on the fire. For example, standpipe systems are required in buildings that are over 75 feet in height. The top of the standpipe riser extends up onto the roof. The Coordinator of Fire Safety and Alarm Systems or Fire Safety Director is also responsible for ensuring that the inspection, testing, and maintenance of the standpipe system will take place on schedule. Automatic and non-automatic standpipe systems shall be inspected, tested and maintained by a competent person holding a C of F, employed by the owner, to see that all parts of the system are in good working order, and that the fire department connection or connections, if any, are ready for immediate use by the fire department. A detailed record shall be kept of each inspection for examination by any representative of the fire department. The Coordinator of Fire Safety and Alarm Systems or Fire Safety Director is responsible for verifying that the person who is inspecting, testing, or maintaining the system has the proper C of F and/or license and that a written record of their work is kept on the premises. Annually and once every 5 years standpipe systems must be tested and maintained by either a master fire suppression piping contractor with an S13 C of F, or a person who possesses a master plumber license in addition to an S13 C of F. For the full inspection, testing, and maintenance schedule for standpipe systems, fire guards should reference NFPA 25. It is also highly recommended that coordinators fire guards familiarize themselves with the S13 Certificate of Fitness for citywide standpipe systems, which can be found on the FDNY website at the web address below. See web address in the comments section. 11. Portable fire extinguishers. Fire guards must be familiar with the different types of portable fire extinguishers. They should know how to operate the extinguishers in a safe and efficient manner. They must know the difference between the various types of extinguishers and when they should be used. Portable fire extinguishers weighing 40 pounds or less must be installed so that the top of the extinguisher is not more than 5 feet above the floor. Handheld portable fire extinguishers weighing more than 40 pounds must be installed so that the top of the extinguisher is not more than 3.5 feet above the floor. The clearance between the bottom of the extinguisher and the floor must not be less than 4 inches. In other words, no fire extinguisher is allowed to be on the floor. Fire extinguishers must be located in conspicuous locations where they will be readily accessible and immediately available for use. These locations must be along normal paths of travel. In the event that a fire extinguisher has been discharged, it must be fully recharged or replaced prior to being used again. Portable fire extinguishers are important in preventing a small fire from growing into a catastrophic fire. However, they are not intended to fight large or spreading fires. Portable fire extinguishers should only be used when there is an available means of egress that is clear of fire. By the time the fire has spread, fire extinguishers, even if used properly, will not be adequate to extinguish the fire. Such fires should be extinguished by the building fire extinguishing systems or trained firefighters only. In case of any fire, 911 must be called. Fire extinguishers must be used in accordance with the instructions painted on the side of the extinguisher. They clearly describe how to use the extinguisher in case of an emergency. Fire guards should be familiar with the use of portable fire extinguishers. When operating a fire extinguisher, fire guards should remember the acronym PASS to make sure it is used properly. PASS stands for pull, aim, squeeze, sweep. Specifically, fire guards should ensure that they do the following. Pull the pin from the handle. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze the lever. Sweep the nozzle from side to side until the fire extinguisher is emptied. 11.1. Different types of portable fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are classified by the type of fire that they will extinguish. Some fire extinguishers can only be used on certain types of fires, while other fire extinguishers are made to extinguish more than one type of fire. The portable fire extinguisher classification is indicated on the right side of the extinguisher. For more detailed information regarding the different portable fire extinguisher classifications and the types of fires they extinguish, Reference the chart below. See the comments section for chart. A. Combustibles. A Class A fire extinguisher is used for ordinary combustibles, such as wood, paper, some plastics, and textiles. This class of fire requires the heat-absorbing effects of water or the coating effects of certain dry chemicals. Extinguishers that are suitable for Class A fires should be identified by a triangle containing the letter A. If in color, the triangle should be green. B. Liquids. A Class B fire extinguisher is used for flammable liquid and gas fires such as oil, gasoline, etc. These fire extinguishers deprive the fire of oxygen and interrupt the fire chain by inhibiting the release of combustible vapors. Extinguishers that are suitable for Class B fires should be identified by a square containing the letter B. If in color, the square should be red. C. Electrical. A Class C fire extinguisher is used on fires that involve live electrical equipment which require the use of electrically non-conductive extinguishing agents. Once the electrical equipment is de-energized, extinguishers for Class A or B fires may be used. Extinguishers that are suitable for Class C fires should be identified by a circle containing the letter C. If in color, the circle should be blue. C. Equipment combustible. A Class D fire extinguisher is used on combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, sodium, etc., which require an extinguishing medium that does not react with the burning metal. Extinguishers that are suitable for Class D fires should be identified by a 5-point painted star containing the letter D. If in color, the star should be yellow. D. Metals. A Class K fire extinguisher is used on fires involving cooking media, fats, grease, and oils, in commercial cooking such as restaurants. These fire K extinguishers work on the principle of saponification. Saponification takes place when alkaline mixtures such as potassium acetate, potassium citrate, or potassium carbonate are applied to burning cooking oil or fat. The alkaline mixture combined with the fatty acid creates soapy foam on the surface which holds in the vapors and steam and extinguishes the fire. These extinguishers are identified by the letter K. The most commonly sold portable fire extinguishers, PFEs, are labeled ABC extinguishers. Class ABC extinguishers are often the primary PFE in shelters. Class ABC extinguishers are dry chemical extinguishers that can be used to extinguish regular combustible fires, flammable liquid fires, and fires involving electrical equipment. ABC extinguishers are usually red in color and range in size from 5 to 20 pounds. The pictures below show an example of a Class ABC portable fire extinguisher. See comments section for pictures. Class A portable fire extinguishers are available but are not as prevalent as Class ABC extinguishers. Class A PFEs are also known as air pressurized water, APW, fire extinguishers. Water is an extinguishing agent for regular combustibles. These extinguishers are usually silver in color and approximately 3 feet in height and weigh approximately 25 pounds. Class A portable fire extinguishers are useful in buildings and occupancies that primarily contain type A combustible materials. These PFEs should only be used on ordinary combustible fires. The picture to the right shows an example of a typical Class A portable fire extinguisher. See the comments section for diagrams. Portable fire extinguishers with a classification of BC are used to extinguish flammable liquid fires and electrical equipment fires. Portable fire extinguishers with a classification of just B or a classification of just C do not exist. BC portable fire extinguishers are red in color and range in size from 5 to 100 pounds or larger. Class BC portable fire extinguishers are filled with sodium bicarbonate or potassium bicarbonate. An example of a BC portable fire extinguisher is shown below. See the comments section for pictures. As mentioned above, a portable fire extinguisher with just a C classification does not exist. The C classification indicates only that the extinguishing agent is a non-conductor and is safe to use on live electrical fires. C. Fires will have either an A component, such as ordinary combustibles around the electrical item, or a B component such as an oil-filled transformer or some electrical device involving flammable liquids. This is the reason C classifications are only attached to either a B or AB fire extinguisher. This classification Q specifies the fire extinguisher that is most appropriate for extinguishing the fire. Class K portable fire extinguishers are often found in kitchens and are used to extinguish combustible cooking fluids such as oils and fats. There are different extinguishing agents found in fire extinguishers labeled Class K. Some of these extinguishing agents are dry and some are wet. Potassium bicarbonate is used in some dry chemical fire extinguishers and a chemical mist is used in some wet chemical fire extinguishers. The extinguishing agents in a Class K fire extinguisher are sometimes electrically conductive and should only be used after the power has been turned off in the electrical appliance. An example of a Class K fire extinguisher is shown in the pictures below. See the comments section for pictures. 11.2. Labeling. Portable fire extinguishers are labeled so users can quickly identify the classes of fire on which the extinguisher will be effective. The marking system combines pictures of both recommended and unacceptable extinguisher types on a single identification label. The following is an example of typical labels. CTH comments section for pictures. 11.3 New portable fire extinguisher tags. See diagram in the comments section. A real hologram strip is 3 inches long by 1/4 inch wide. Counterfeit tags will not have a high-quality silver hologram. The hologram on a counterfeit tag will not change color as it is moved against the light. If your PFE tags look different than the one pictured above, contact your supervisor. If you suspect your PFE is a counterfeit, contact FDNY immediately by email, tags. See comments section for email address. 11.4. Portable fire extinguisher monthly inspection. Monthly. The portable fire extinguishers are required to be checked monthly. The owner of the business is responsible to select a person to do a monthly inspection. This monthly inspection is called a quick check. The quick check should check if 1. The fire extinguisher is fully charged. 2. It is in its designated place. 3. It has not been actuated or tampered with. 4. There is no obvious or physical damage or condition to prevent its operation. The information of the monthly inspection record must include the date of the inspection, the name/initials of the person who did the inspection. This monthly quick check record must be kept on the back of the PFE tag or by an approved electronic method that provides a permanent record. Annually. At least annually all portable fire extinguishers must be checked by a W96 certificate of fitness holder from FDNY approved company. After each annual inspection, W96 COF holder will replace the PFE tag. The information of the annual inspection record must be indicated on the new PFE tag. Congratulations, you have completed the study material for the Certificate of Fitness examination. F-02 Fire Guard for Shelter, citywide. If you are already a security guard, this certificate will enhance your ability to gain better employment or promotion in present position. If you are interested in a career as a security guard working in New York City shelters, this certificate will enhance your chances of employment. If you feel ready to sit the exam, applicant should be at least 18 years old. A $25 fee is required in person. Date of exam: written exams are conducted Monday through Friday, except legal holidays, 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Examination venue is FDNY headquarters. 9. Metro Tech Center, Brooklyn, New York. Enter through the Flatbush Avenue entrance between Myrtle Avenue and Tech Place. Next up in this series will be the study material for the Certificate of Fitness examination F-01 Fire Guard for impairment citywide.